So guys, for anybody that's watching, I'd like to welcome you back to the channel. My name's Ryan and this is RC's World, and as you can see in this channel we're going to be mostly focusing on RCs, my custom creations and themes. So guys, this is the 5th RC so far on the channel, and this is a 1/8 scale brushless RC, so which is a fair bit bigger so far than the previous cars we've had. And as usual, we have the can of Coke, just to give you a rough idea how big it is. So it is quite a big RC, guys, and for anybody that's interested in learning more about this is called a Hobao Hyper GT, and this comes with what's called just a rolling chassis. So there are no electrics included at all, so there's no motor, no ESC, no steering servo, no transmitter and receiver, and it comes with just a basic set of wheels and tyres, which I've since removed, and a clear shell. So guys, as you can see, I thought this shell resembled a kind of rally car, and that's the theme I went for. Painted a nice white, and I sourced these rally decals and gave it this complete custom creation again, as always. As for the wheels and tyres, guys, I opted for the Sweep GTs. I thought they matched the theme perfectly, and these are belted, so these can withstand up to extreme high speeds, and they're perfect for on-road, and the grip looks absolutely amazing. As for underneath, I removed the shell. I had a power supply lying about, guys, which I wanted to test for a while. It was just kind of spare parts that I had. So this is the EZ Run Max 8 Hobby Wing 150 amp ESC, and the Arma 2050 kV BLX brushless motor, and both are 6S LiPo capable. I went for the usual Dumbo receiver, which hooks up to the Dumbo transmitter. Of course, the range is outstanding, and it comes with the added gyro for stability. As for the steering system, guys, I went for the 25 tooth aluminium steering servo horn and the 25 kg Power HD waterproof steering servo. Everything else has been kept fairly standard, guys. All the diff oils and fluids, including the spur gear. As for the pinion, I went for a 10 tooth pinion, and basically, guys, the lower the pinion, the faster the acceleration, but the slower the top end speed you're going to get out of your brushless system. The higher the pinion, the slower acceleration, but the higher the top end speed. And the higher the pinion goes, guys, the closer you're going to get to maxing out the capability of what this motor can handle. As for everything else, guys, it comes with an aluminium chassis and quite a low ground clearance, which I've since tried to increase slightly with you know, just moving the shock threads there, so we can try and go for some off-road footage as well if we find some very short grass or gravel. It's mostly going to be used for on-road footage, and basically just pushing it to the limit, guys, in all sorts of weather conditions. I do have some epic shells painted up for this, guys, and a lot of different ideas, and we are going to be changing out the power systems, or even just upgrading the pinion to see what this is truly capable of, with lots of different wheels and tyre combinations. So guys, I hope that was pretty informative for you again, and we're just going to move on to the footage and see how it goes. We are going to be using just a 6S LiPo battery, and you can use, of course, with the twin ESC adapters I have on here for the XT90s, you know, we can use one 6S battery or go for 2 3s, but I have got this little this connector which cuts off one battery at a time, so I can just go for the one 6S at the moment. So I hope that was pretty informative, guys, and let's move on to the footage. Thanks for watching.